Hey guys, so today we are going to be installing an onboard air system onto my Toyota 4Runner, and the onboard air system that I chose to install this is going to be the ViAir constant duty onboard air system. The reason why I chose this, besides it being the only one that they had in stock at my local 4-wheel parts, is because it's constant duty. So that means it's 100% duty. It does only put out about 1.8 CFM, which is comparable to the ARB, puts out roughly around there, the single compressor. And I know the $100 Smittybilt puts out about that amount. I was thinking about the $180 Smittybilt, the part number I think 2781. That one does have a high CFM, but I think it was sitting at like 30% for the duty rate, and I mean, that's still pretty good output, but I do like this 100% duty, and it does come with the tank and everything that I need to install, including the switches and all that stuff. This one ran me around $399. You can probably find it cheaper somewhere, maybe. I'm not too sure. You can probably find these on Amazon. I will put the links down below for if I can find this on Amazon. You probably can, and a link for 4-wheel parts. But all right, so let's get this installed. Okay, so what comes in this box? So let's open it up and take a look. Of course, I couldn't wait, so I opened it up and kind of made things a little easier for myself on the video, and also kind of ripped the box a little bit, but there's. So it does come with styrofoam on the side of the tank, both sides of the tank here, and it comes with this little piece here just to hold it still. So it comes with this nice 2.5 gallon tank, which I'm gonna be mounting behind the bumper, specifically behind the bumper brace in front of the radiator. I'm gonna try to weld up a little brace for it. So yeah, there's the tank. It comes with fitting on the top. You got 2 fittings on the side, 2 fittings on the other side. And a fitting on the bottom, and some brackets there. All right, that's the box with everything else. So this also comes with styrofoam around the side and comes in a nice bag. But for video purposes, I decided to take it out. Very, very nice compressor. Very heavy duty. It feels very heavy duty. Comes with everything you need, for the most part. Let's get that to the side. Got a bag for all the air tank installation parts, all the fittings and whatnot. All the wiring for the compressor, filter, other various things. This part, got the gauge panel. Comes in a box in this little bag. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what that looks like. Some connectors, electrical connectors. Okay, but there's a little bulb. It's like to light up the gauge, possibly. Mounting bolts and nuts. On-off switch. Nice looking gauge. Yeah, so that looks like that's the bulb there. Comes with the replacement bulb, which is nice. With some hose, bunch of hose, lots of hose. And I said hose as in like garden hose. Okay, this channel's PG. Yeah, comes with air hose, 1/4 inch coil air hose. I'll probably keep this in my kit because I want to air one tire up at a time. But I do have that 4-way tire inflation cord system thing, manifold, whatever that I made, which there is a video for that, and I will put a link somewhere. I'll be in the description. Put one of those little tag things up in the top corner somewhere. So here's the pressure switch and reducer. Of course, that paperwork is important, and most important part, because you're not just getting compressed air, you're getting horsepower too. But double the horsepower because you got 2 stickers. Huh. Where am I gonna put these? I don't know, but we'll see. All right. This is everything that comes in the kit. Again, I got this for $3.99. So you can get it for whatever the current price is. Throw that up, pick it up later. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Let's get this installed. Haha. All right, so it's the next day, and a little bit. Oops, sorry. We'll have to bleep that. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I'll put a picture, a close-up picture. But that hole in the condenser is not supposed to be there. Yeah, so that's another project for another day. I'll put a video out hopefully soon about how to replace a 2013 Toyota 4Runner AC condenser. But other than that, I got the tank installed. Bumper's ready to go back on for the most part. There's some electrical stuff that I have to do. Can't really see that, my shadow's blocking. But I have the tank mounted up. It looks janky, but I have a million ways to secure it so it stays there. Yeah, everything's plumbed in. Don't tell me that it's not supposed to be that way, because I know that's the only way it'll work. Alright, And then the way I mounted it, you can see through the brace there, was bolts that I drilled through the bottom bracket in the center. When I drilled through this side, that's when I drilled the hole, and it leaked all the refrigerant into the atmosphere. So yeah, nothing I could do about that. Whoops. But found some 36-inch zip ties, like 6 of them on there. Little, like foam, memory foam stepping pad for garage floors. Put it on there, vibration dampener. It's really sturdy. I mean, I moved this, the whole car moves. Yeah, I got the little extendable drain valve here. Drain, probably have to bleep that. But yeah, this green cord goes up through there, behind the filter, and it comes out through here where I'll have the compressor mounted. But yeah, and then this is for the gauge, the switch panel. It'll go into the firewall. Don't mind the rat's nest. I will work on that later. But that kind of same thing at the drill hole. Goes up through there. But yeah. All right, let's get that compressor in. On that bumper on too.